Hello, this is your boy from Mobile Mechanic 757, getting ready to compress the pistons in this caliper. And this is the tool that you can use. Doesn't cost very much money. All you do is this, you just turn this, slide this in like that. Hold on, I'm doing it one hand, please bear with me. And so I went backwards, and I have an old brake in there. Hold on, so I'm doing it one hand. I'm almost there. I'm trying to line it up with one hand. It's very hard to do. So now I'm tightening it up. And all I'm doing is now turning this to compress the piston. Here's the handle, and I'm turning. You shouldn't have a bunch of resistance. If you do, you're replacing the caliper. And this is how you use this tool. And all I'm doing is using the old brake between the piston and this right here. And I'm just turning. I'm not going to do the whole entire thing, but you can see the piston is now going in nice and easy. And that tells me that the caliper is not bad. Actually, I'll do it all with you guys. Make sure you guys can see it. And I'm using one hand. You should not be cranking down and being He-Man. That means you need a new caliper. And as you can see, the piston is going right on in, as you can see. And I'm going to show you a different way of doing this if you don't have one of these tools, but you can get them from Harbor Freight. They're very inexpensive. I'll have it in the description for you. And you can see I'm usually using one hand, and this ain't very much to turn on. And then you can see the piston all the way in. And the reason why you're pushing the piston in, because with the new brakes, the caliper and the new brakes are not going to fit. The caliper will not go on the new brakes. So all I do is just turn this off. And another alternative, and you can see I use the old brakes. You can use this right here. And you will get behind here, and you will turn this in the exact same way if you have this right here. I choose to use the correct tool. This is just a tip. Everybody does what they do differently. This is what I've been doing for the last 30-something years in the military and the civilian sector, and it always works for me. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit that like button so the algorithm can show many people of how to save money and how to get this done without paying someone a whole bunch of money. You could do it yourself. I'm here for you, customers. Thank you.